In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF to Squarespace website. Now, by far the easiest way to do this, if you just want to attach a PDF, is to simply go inside your editor of your site. So I have this blank page, I'm going to click on Edit, and then you can add whatever you want here. I'm going to add a block here, which is going to be a button, and I'm going to just basically name it Get Your PDF, just like this, and then from here you can click on attach link. Now when you do it, switch over from URL to of course file, and whenever you click on this you can then search for files or basically just upload them. And in here I'm going to find my PDF, so I have one over here, for example, a few of them. I'm just gonna click on a random one here, click on open, and there we go, it's going to attach a PDF to that specific button. Now it's uploading it, there we go. And then whenever that's uploaded, you'll see that of course your PDF has been attached onto your onto your button over here, and then you can customize it. You can do whatever you want here. And if I actually go and save this, and if I were to go to exit and inside preview I click on get your PDF, as you can see it's gonna open that PDF in a separate tab just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.